It's Mega Grace on Vuma FM Adult Radio for the Young at Heart. 5 minutes before 6 o'clock ngalesi sikhathi ngisuke sengithi bamba sengiyavala. Bamba ke sengiyavala ngaphambi kokuqala usuku lwakho bamba sengiyavala ekuseni. The book of John chapter 2 verse 3, when they started running out of wine, Jesus' mother went to Jesus and said, "We have run out of wine." Nanti into engicela ungibambele yona as you are starting your day. Christ is the solution for every crisis. Jesus is the solution for every crisis. Kunomshado eKhana laseGalila, and Jesus and his mother was invited in the wedding. Kuthiwa ke umshado yakhona yayingafani nemshado yethu. Umshado wakhona wawuthatha ngisho nesonto lonke, and babenza isiqinisekiso sokuthi baba newayini to keep their guest entertained. Uthi umshado usaqhubeka bayithola sebebhekene necrisis yokuthi they are running out of wine. Bakhathazeka batatazela because they've run out of wine. Bayithola bengazi ukuthi bazokwenza njani. Kwasho ukuthi khona noma kaJesu who understand ukuthi uJesu uyisolution yawo wonke ama-crisis empilo. Wayokhuluma noJesu wathi iwayini liphelile, injabulo iphelile. Wathi uJesu ningakhathazeki, mina I am the solution for every crisis empilweni. Wathi abathatha amanzi bawafake embizeni, washintsha amanzi a-ordinary wawenza aba iwayini. Ama-guest emshadweni aba-entertained, ajabula. As you are starting your day, ngifuna ukuthi uKristu is the solution for every crisis in life. Noma ngabe hlobuluni lwe-crisis ongayithola ubhekene nalo, Christ is the solution. Babe ne-crisis yokuphelelwa yiwayini, kwasho ukuthi khona uChrist who is the solution for every crisis. Washintsha amanzi aba yiwayini ngoba ngiyamthanda uKristu. Makufika icrisis uvela fika vele abe yisolution. Namhlanje kusena angiyazi crisis that you are going through, angiyazi crisis that you might be facing, but I have a word for you. Our Jesus Christ is a solution for every crisis. Ngelinye ilanga beke bayithola bene crisis omata nodadewabo, bene crisis yokufelwa umfowabo. Wafika uKristu bebhekene necrisis yokuthi umfowabo usefile. Wathi mayefika wathi Lazarus come out, wamvusa ofile sekuphele 4 days efile. Ngoba where there is Christ kuba khona ama-solution. Makukhona ama-crisis empilo ufika uJesu alethe isixazululo. Angiyazi crisis obhekene nayo in your marriage, angiyazi crisis obhekene nayo in your finances, but engikwaziyo Christ is the solution for every crisis empilweni. Noma ngabe bonakala inkulu kangakanani, but he is the solution. Noma ngabe bonakala inzima kangakanani, but our Christ is the solution. Uyimpendulo yakho konke esimkhonzayo. Ungamkhohlwa, ungamlibali ukuthi uyisolution yama-crisis onke empilo. My name is Phumlani Nkwanyana. You are blessed, you are favored, and you are set apart. Good morning, Mega Grace Nation.